Here's how to use an EpiPen. It could literally save someone's life. My son has severe peanut allergies, so we have this at home and at his school. It's really helpful that many people know how to use EpiPen. It's really easy to use. I'm using a trainer EpiPen, and it says trainer right there. This doesn't have any needle and it doesn't have any drugs in it. The first thing to do is twist, and it tells you how to twist it. Follow the arrow, twist it. It exposes the orange part, which is where the needle will be and where the drug will be given to the body. And then you turn it over, you have that blue part right here, and then you have the ridge that you take that off. There you go. Got that off and exposes that. And then hold this firmly is to inject it in the thigh. The needle and the medicine will go through the pants. You don't have to worry and waste time pulling up the pants or taking it off. Now you hold the EpiPen firmly and you swing until you hear a clicking noise like this. That's the clicking noise, and then count 1 to 3. 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000. That's the time that the drug is being administered to the body. It's flowing through the body, and then take it out. That's it. Really important. You need to know we're using the EpiPen injection, this type of brand. The box has 2 EpiPens in it. So it comes like that, and this is the trainer. The trainer usually goes here with a gray cap like that. The box has 2 EpiPens, which is this. See, and this one has the needle and the medicine, and it says needle here, and you'll see that there is medicine right there in the see-through. And the reason there are 2 EpiPens is because usually 1 EpiPen is not enough. As soon as the person has a severe allergic reaction, such as can't breathe and the face is swollen, use the EpiPen. Give the EpiPen to the person and then call 911. After you call 911 and you wait 5 minutes and the person is still having a hard time breathing, go ahead and use the second EpiPen. Do the same thing, and hopefully by the second EpiPen, the first responder or the ambulance has arrived. But that's why there's 2, because sometimes 1 EpiPen is not enough. You might need a second EpiPen. Hope this helps, and hope it saves someone's life.